Hello everyone, in this video I will present the Data Insights feature. To launch the interface, open the Chat Copilot task pane, click on Examples, and select Data Insights. The idea behind this feature is that, given a set of data, with just one click, it can provide you with useful and interesting insights, such as generating summaries, highlighting trends, and pointing out outliers. You can also ask the Copilot specific questions, and it will extract the relevant information from the data for you. Let's demonstrate this with a small dataset. Here is a table. It presents monthly sales data for two products, A and B, over 3 months, January, February, and March. For each product and each month, it lists the number of units sold, the unit price, and the total sales value, which is calculated by multiplying the units sold by the unit price. We would like to explore this dataset, so we first want to get some useful or interesting insights without a particular focus. To do so, we can simply enter A1 to E7 in this field in the interface and press Get Insights. The Copilot reviews the data from different angles, such as sales, unit price, products, and months, and provide several insights. For instance, it finds that product B exhibits a positive growth trend in sales, increasing monthly from January to March. We can further discuss with the Copilot by asking, could you provide more details about the sales trends for each product and overall over the past 3 months? The Copilot performs and presents the calculation and concludes that product A experienced an increase in sales from January to February, followed by a slight decrease in March. Overall, its sales remained consistent. Product B showed a consistent upward trend in sales from January through March, resulting in a clear overall increase in sales. Note that the Data Insights feature can work on both tabular and non-tabular data. As long as we specify the data area clearly, it can work on it. For instance, we may have the data organized like this. We can enter A1 to E13 in the field in the interface and ask the same question. Please provide more details about the sales trends for each product and overall over the past 3 months. We can see that the Copilot is able to process the data and obtain the same insights. To conclude, whenever you want to explore, analyze, or review a set of data, you don't need to perform complex manual analysis. You can ask the Copilot to do it for you. You can either let the Copilot find interesting insights and valuable information for you, or ask specific questions. The Data Insights feature will save you a lot of time, allowing you to focus on decision making.